If you've been wondering how to trigger automations based on form answers, this is the exact 3-minute tutorial you need. I'll show you how to set it up step by step using the software we'll be working with. And if you stick around, I'll even explain a clever trick that most people miss when building automations. I've tested nearly every popular software that claims to do this easily, and I've settled on one that balances speed, simplicity, and flexibility. There's an exclusive free trial in the description, only for viewers of my channel, so if you want to follow along or test it yourself after this, make sure to grab that. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, you'll need to create your form. This is where your automation journey starts. Build your form inside the software. Drag and drop works great here. Add the fields you need: name, email, and then the crucial one, the question that will act as your trigger. This could be a multiple choice, drop down, or short answer field. Next, go to the automation section. This is usually found in the left-hand menu or under settings. Create a new automation. Now here's where the magic happens. Choose the trigger type when a form is submitted. Then add a filter. This is where you'll specify the form field answer that sets the automation in motion. Let's say your form asks, what service are you interested in? And one of the options is coaching. Set your filter condition to, if answer to service equals coaching. Boom, automation trigger set. Now pick your action. This is what happens when that condition is met. You can send an email, assign a tag, notify your team, add the contact to a sequence, whatever fits your workflow. You can add multiple conditions and multiple actions. So if you want different emails to be sent based on different answers, just duplicate the automation and change the filter logic. Don't forget to activate your automation once you're done. It sounds simple, but it's the step most people miss and then wonder why nothing's working. Test it out. Submit the form with a test response that fits your condition and make sure the automation runs as expected. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Triggering automations based on form answers is the most efficient way to segment leads and deliver the right message at the right time without manual work. It's all about asking the right questions on the form and connecting those answers to your workflow. Quick revision: build your form, set the submission as the trigger, filter based on form answers, assign actions, and test it. Done. And remember, if you want to follow along or just explore what this software can do, check the description for your exclusive free trial. It's only for viewers of this channel, and it's the one I personally recommend after trying everything else. That's it. See you in the next one.